Do you struggle in getting good sales for your e-commerce store? What if I teach you a strategy that will boost your e-commerce sales fast? If you are interested in learning, then keep on watching. Welcome back to Supermom TV. Today we are doing a Know-How Wednesday. If you are new here, welcome. My name is May and I share all my e-commerce journey and share all the tips and tricks about earning money online. Hit the subscribe button if you want to learn about how to make money online. I share tips and tricks on how you can grow your e-commerce business fast and simple. So today I'm talking about a strategy to boost your e-commerce sales fast. This strategy that I'm going to share with you has been around for ages without us being aware of it. This strategy is very simple, but yet it is very effective, and it can be applied on your e-commerce store or even any online selling platform that you have. And this method works perfectly for a dropshipping business. The name of the strategy that I'm referring to is called free plus shipping. How this strategy works is you offer your customer a free product, but you just need them to pay for the shipping. In this case, you won't make any loss. It's just a way of how you script your sales pitch. So for example, you free this item, you get this free necklace, just pay for the shipping. So what you need to do is you find a product. So for example, the cost price for this necklace is $4. What you need to do is just set your shipping fee for this product at $9.95 and you have a profit of $5.95. After you have created this free plus shipping product, you can further boost your sales by doing an advertisement on Facebook or Instagram, and it will be very appealing to your buyers. I will show you one of the examples, a free plus shipping product that I did before. I will also show you how you should script your ad copy. So this is one of the Facebook advertisement that I did for my unicorn store. I was giving away necklace, so they can choose either a gold necklace or a silver one. And I was giving it on a Black Friday. It's a Black Friday giveaway. So the script is like this. Get the gold one here. You put the link to the product link, and the silver one, then product link again. So we are giving away these elegant unicorn necklaces for free. You just need to pay the shipping and handling fees. So yeah, you have to let your buyer know that you are actually giving them for free, but just need to pay the shipping and the handling fees. So most of the time they are okay with it. So this is a perfect gift for your family and friends. Like, share and tag your friends that would love something like this. So this tagging your family and friends is very effective. You can see the shares I have for this giveaway is 396 shares, 140 comments and 2,700 likes. So you can see everybody is like in the comment, they are tagging all their friends and family. So this post can go viral. My giveaway was quite limited time. I think I posted this ad running for about 1 week. So can you imagine if you are giving away this product for longer term, maybe for 1 month or 2 months, then you will get even more sales. And the next tip is when you put the ad copy, make sure that you put more links. Best if you put the 3 links all together, 3 product links. Yeah, this is one of the secret to get link click. The click-through rate is higher if you put at least 3 product links. So maybe you can put one at the bottom, one more at the bottom. This method is super effective, and some of the time your buyers will browse around your store and look for other things. And this method is so good in driving traffic to your e-commerce store. So this ad will actually lure them to your e-commerce store. They will purchase other things together with your free plus shipping product. This free plus shipping method is used by many business entrepreneurs. I will show you one example on Instagram. There's one e-commerce store that actually DM me on Instagram asking me to check out their free stuff. You can be more creative and just go to your supplier, or in my case, I went to AliExpress and sourced for really good quality products, but the price is reasonable. It's best that you look for items that cost below $5 so that your shipping fee doesn't extend over $10. I did a few tests before. Those shipping fee that cost above $10 doesn't really sell that well. I understand that it's just a few dollars profit, but this is a very good way for you to get started. This strategy works so well is because who don't like a free product, isn't it? When your customers see there's a free item on your website, they will be thrilled and they will be so happy to place the order. This method potentially earn you more future customers and hence more profit. Plus, this is such a good way for you to reach out to more customers. So there you have it. This is a very effective way of boosting your e-commerce sales fast. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to share with you more tips and strategies like this one, and I will do more videos on this topic on how you can boost your e-commerce sales fast. Please do not hesitate to leave questions for me down in the comments below because I have a Q&A session every Friday. I will give you my best answers on every Friday. So do give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and valuable. Feel free to share my video with your friends and business partners. This strategy is indeed very useful, so do share this strategy with other people, and do remember to click the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.